Last January, I had to make a business trip to Vermont. Foolishly, I decided to drive, even though a snowstorm was forecast. When I got to country roads, things started to get worse. I had to slow down for an accident. Then the blizzard started. I could not see the road, and I ended up in a ditch. Luckily, I was only 1 mile from a hotel and started to walk. In 40 minutes, I reached the hotel. It was an old mansion that had been converted to a hotel. The woman at the desk was very nice, but said that the only room left had not been fully made up, because when the maid heard that a major storm was coming, she hurried home to be with her kids. I said, "No matter, I'll take whatever you have." As I was walking to the staircase, a bedraggled and cold, pretty woman stumbled in and asked for a room, only to be told that I had the last room. She ran to me and begged me to let her share my room. I said I was a happily married man, and if my wife found out, she would kill me. She started to cry and pleaded with me to let her sleep in my room. She said, "You don't know me. I don't know you. Nobody knows us. Your wife will never find out." In a moment of weakness, I said, "Okay, but you'll have to sleep on the floor." The bed was nice and comfortable, and she was on the floor. But after a few minutes, I hear, Mister, this floor is so hard. You don't know me, and I don't know you, and nobody knows us. Please, could I sleep on the bottom of the bed?" I said, "Oh, well, okay, but on top of the covers." 20 minutes later, she starts again. She complained she was freezing. Could she get under the covers? I said, "Okay, but stay on your side of the bed." I looked at her, and she was beautiful, and it looked like she was faking being asleep. A few minutes later, she opens her eyes and says, "How about we have a party?" I replied, "You don't know me. I don't know you. And nobody knows us. Who are we going to invite?"